Everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to program remotes to a 2011 Toyota Yaris. So at present I have two remotes in my hand and neither of the remotes are programmed to the vehicle. So first step is you're going to open driver's door, you're going to insert key into ignition and remove twice. So insert, remove, you're going to close and open driver's door twice. You're going to insert key into ignition and remove once, close and open driver's door twice, and then close driver's door and leave driver's door closed. You're going to insert key into ignition, turn to the on position, then to the off position, and remove the key. The door locks will now cycle. From there, you want to hold lock and unlock on the remote that you wish to program. 1 second, release, and then hold the lock button. The door locks will cycle to indicate that it's accepted the remote. For this procedure, we're actually doing two different remotes, so I'm going to hold lock and unlock on the other remote, release, hold lock, door lock cycle, then you're going to open driver's door to exit programming mode, and test remotes. So 1, lock and unlock both work, and then on the second remote, lock and unlock both work. And that's all it. Thanks.